The first question from lesson 29 is worded differently depending on which version of the workbook you have. And the question is phrased in a way that is not ideal. So I'm going to solve it the way that the new version has it written. But it's still not going to match the teacher's edition. We're going to talk about what piece would change that. So it says, on average, a baby uses 3 times the number of large diapers as small diapers. So we need small, and we need medium, and we need large. And then it says, and double the number of medium diapers as small diapers. So we're going to use that word as compared to, and your book is interpreting it a little bit differently. So it says, on average, a baby uses 3 times the number of large compared to the small. So we're going to do 1 box for small, and then 3 boxes for the large. So they use 3 times the number of large diapers when compared to the small. So the large would be more. And then double the number of medium diapers when compared to the small. So we would need 2 boxes here. If the average baby uses 2,940 diapers, size small, medium, and large, how many of each size would be used? The old version only says small and large, and so you would interpret this a little bit differently. But because we're using the newer version, as I talk about it, we're going to use all 3 sizes. So all 3 sizes includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. And we had 2,940 diapers that need to be split into those 6 boxes. 6 does not fit into 2, so we skip that place value. 6 fits into 29 4 times, and that would be 24. 6 times 4 is 24. The piece that remains is a 5, then we bring down our 4. 6 fits into 54 9 times. 6 times 9 is 54, with nothing remaining. But we have an extra place value that we need to take care of, so we're going to just put a 0 on the top, which means each box gets 490 diapers. So the small has 490 smalls. We would need twice that amount for the medium. So 490 plus 490 would be 980 diapers. And then 493 times, or added together 3 times, would be 1,000.